Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Are Shiba Inu currency market rumors going to be eliminated by FTX? Cryptocurrency's world is full of constant surprises. The most recent surprise is a sizable alliance between Amazon, the well-known retailer of digital assets and popular memes, and Elon Musk, the new owner of Twitter. The first person to disseminate the update on Twitter was a Shib-related account. The alliance will launch new phases in the Shiba Inu ecosystem's development. There are updates on the Black Friday deal as well. We will discuss if FTX will completely destroy the Shiba Inu currency market in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and projections of Shiba unit prices. Let's start the video now without further ado. The most recent incident is still a developing tale because no new details concerning the companion, Shib, have been made public. Additionally, discussions about the potential start of the new agreement between the parties are still ongoing. Shiba Inu thus said that, assuming everything goes according to plan, it would provide updates on the development by December 1st. All the way back on May 27th. According to a news report, the meme coin burner from Shib's superstore had been included to the Amazon affiliate program. Accordingly, the Shiba Inu store will spend 1% to 20% of its earnings to buy CIB, which users can burn every Sunday, resulting in a total of 2 million Shib being destroyed. Before the platform was able to accomplish that, a portion of the revenue generated by the sale of Shib-branded goods and video game advertisements is deposited by the Shib superstore. In a related event this year, Elon Musk was urged to solve the problem of content theft on Twitter by a burnt Twitter account that monitors all share burn operations. The action is required, according to the tracking system, to stop others from profiting from the new Twitter business model that the Tesla owner is developing. It's interesting that the request came after Elon Musk announced that content creators would soon receive better pay, and the platform is already working on a solution. Shibborn is worried about the quantity of copied information on Twitter though. As an illustration, countless organizations kept stealing reports about Shib Burn's activities and misrepresenting them as their own. The sheer burden thinks Twitter should stop making money off of stolen information. The K9 cryptocurrency's high burn rate has succeeded in raising the asset's price and lowering its supply. However, there is little momentum that a consistent burn rate can produce given the negative state of the whole cryptocurrency market. Nevertheless, the biggest Ethereum whales have been drawn to the Shib coin by the ongoing Shib burning. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales have accumulated around 70 points, according to the most recent update of whale statistics. Shib tokens worth $39 million Shiba Inu, Uni, and MKR were among the top 2,000 assets held by the biggest ETH whales. If Shib and Amazon's collaboration is effective, it will have significant effects on the cryptocurrency with a meme theme. Experts believe that a positive midweek respite resulted from severely oversold market conditions, but no price has suddenly broken out of it. Before peaking at $0.00000911, the second largest meme currency printed multiple green candles. Shib will probably be pushed by bears to its main support at $0.00000830. Shiba Inu would suffer a 16.73% reduction in trading volume across all cryptocurrency exchanges if declines are not stopped in time, despite its midweek comeback. A total of $173 million was moved in 24 hours, according to the coin market cap. Since November 10, when $625 million was traded, the volume has been declining. The daily active addresses on-chain measure from sentiment suggests that the slow trend may be the result of lessened network activity. Compared to a 30-day peak of 14,363, just 3,572 addresses have interacted with Shib on the protocol. November 13th, recording. Investors and dealers are still staying away from the crypto markets because of the FTX turmoil. The steady downward trend in the number of daily addresses that are actively transacting on the blockchain offers a glimpse into the extent of investor anticipation that the Shiba Inu price could only rebound if retail investors stage a robust recovery. The 50-day exponential moving average at $0.00000902 served as resistance for Shiba Inu's price, which was unable to break through it and hold above it. Possibly as a result of investors booking profits ahead of schedule since they can't wait for the FTX epidemic. Shib is priced at $2.00000089. The failing trend line is the first potential source of support at 0. And we anticipate being able to rest on somewhat higher ground. $0.00000880, however, dips could reach the first support level at $0.00000830 at this price. Shiba Inu lacks the momentum to shift the outlook from bearish to bullish. A purchase signal from the moving average should catch the attention of buyers. The max passage above the mean line into positive territory can be used as a confirmation signal to activate the convergence-divergence indicator by orders above the 50-day EMA. The 200-day EMA is holding the ground at $0.000010 to $4, and profit booking may occur at the 100-day EMA around $0.00000951. The World Economic Forum wants to collaborate with me and coin ecosystem Shiba Inu on a global policy, according to the most recent news in town. The statement was made by Toshiko Zama, a developer and volunteer project manager at Shiba Inu. 1,678 people have voted as of the time of publication, and 62.8% of them thought it would be wonderful to collaborate with WEF on Envy. Nearly 27.1% of those polled indicated they would not cooperate with the WEV. The remaining 10% of respondents, though, don't care about it. The most recent development coincides with rumors that Shiba Inu is partnering with online retailer Amazon, according to sources. Shiba Inu is trading at 8 points, 35% higher at $0.00008996 as of the time of publication. The share price has, however, decreased by more than 80% as a result of the wider market slump. In the previous year, Shiba Inu shed throughout the 2021 cryptocurrency bull run, yet it was one of the most traded altcoins on the market. Another significant development is that the meme coin ecosystem will be represented at the Immerse Global Summit by Shiba Inu Metaverse advisor Marcy Jastrow. 2022, Jastrow will give a speech during the summit, which will take place at the Fontainebleau Hotel in Miami, Florida, from December 5th through December 7th of that year. Shiba Inus will undoubtedly get more international attention as a result of this development. Jastrow will discuss the evolution of the entire Shiba ecosystem at the occasion. At the Immerse Global Summit 2022, she will share the podium alongside speakers from significant corporations like Meta Platforms Incorporated, Microsoft Web3 Equity, and Terra Zero. Over 1,000 people will attend, including more than 300 company representatives, 200 presenters, and more than 20 different industry verticals. Few businesses nowadays are prepared to miss out on the potential money this time of year delivers, since Black Friday has become a tradition among brands. Additionally, it gives consumers the chance to get the things they desire and need at affordable pricing. Users can anticipate finding a variety of projects advertising various discounts, deals, and incentives, because Black Friday is not simply brands engaging in the crypto market. As individuals buy and sell tokens to try and get the best bargains, others will probably be kept up to date on the current financial politics. Shiba Inu special offers are expected to skyrocket in value on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so there is something for everyone. One of the most significant stories to emerge from the meme token market in recent months involved Elon Musk and his purchase of Twitter, which had a significant impact on the value of several of the most well-known meme tokens, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, sometimes referred to as the Dogecoin killer, has a great chance to rise this Black Friday. The following crypto enthusiast tries to choose the best investments in this era of ongoing transformation. As news of Musk's takeover of Twitter spreads, it is therefore quite worthwhile to keep an eye on the value of Shiba Inus, since it may present windows of opportunity for fantastic potential investments. Avoid letting Shiba Inu ruin this Black Friday. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.